Welcome back, students. So we're continuing to look at the 2020 Leaving Cert Foundation Level Maths paper, and we're doing question 8 in this video. So let's read the question. It looks like a statistics question. Let's read it and see how we get on. So starting off here, we have students in a class did a survey on the distance to the nearest kilometer that each student in the school traveled from their home to reach the school. So every student in the school is being surveyed. Okay, the data is displayed in the histogram below. Very good. We have the number of students is the measurement, and then you have the distance to school bracketed into bins that are 5 kilometers wide, etc. So let's use the data shown in the diagram to complete this table. So the first number we need to put in is how many students travel between 5 and 10 kilometers. 160. Between 10 and 15 kilometers is 90. And between 15 and 20 kilometers, that's between 40 and 60. That's 50. Okay, now moving on to the next page, we have the question, how many students are in the school? Well, if we look back on our previous answers, every student gave an answer, so we just need to add up all of the numbers of students in the different bins. Okay, look, that's 140. That's 300 in total. 500. Or put it in the calculator. Now the next bit is what fraction of the students live between 5 and 15? Now that's a sneaky one really, because that's that bracket that I'm highlighting there. Okay, and it's a fraction, so we're going to use our calculator for it. So let's put in the 160 plus 90 is the number being considered and out of 500. Okay, and when you put that in your calculator, you get 1/2. Okay, now it's a different topic in question B, but we're just going to keep going for simplicity case. This topic, well, it's still statistics, but it's mean, median, and mode kind of question. So let's read it. So Jamie did a quick survey among some of his classmates. So this isn't the whole class. Maybe he was in the class that took the survey of the whole school, but either way, he did a quick survey. He only surveyed 7 students. So the sample is only 7 students, great, about the distance they traveled to school. They each gave different answers, so none of these numbers will be the same. He put the numbers in order in the boxes, so we can clearly see it is increasing order because 1 is below 5. He says the median is 7 and the range is 15. So both of those pieces of information allow us to put something in. Because the range is 15, this number here, let's call it M for max, take away 1, the lowest number, is equal to the range, which is 15. Okay, so this number here must be 16. Just using common sense, what number when you take away 1 gives 15? Or using algebra, we can add 1 to both sides. And M is equal to 16. Okay, it also tells us that the median, the number in the middle, is 7. Now, where is the number in the middle? Well, there are 3 down towards the bottom and 3 up towards the top. So it's okay just to use kind of trial and error to find where the middle is. And that's the middle, so we know that that number there should be 7. Because the median is the number in the middle. Now, everything else just has to be, well actually there's only 2 more numbers that's possible. Because we know they're all different, this here must be 6. Because it has to be between 5 and 7, and I can't use either 5 or 7. And this number here must be 15. So that was a very nice question, I like it. Okay, and that's probably it for us today for this question. So students, as always, I will see you in the next one.